Google Pixel 6 Pro. So this mobile comes with a bigger display in any of the Pixel mobile, that is a 6.7 inches of Quad HD plus resolution Super AMOLED display, and this display was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And when we talk about the processor, this is the first mobile from Google which comes with their own custom made chip, that is a Tensor chip, and it is also a 5nm based octa-core processor. It is also capable of gaming, they're saying like that. And when we talk about the variants, this Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile was available in 3 variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM 128GB base and 12GB RAM 256GB and 12GB RAM 512GB of internal storage variants with no expanded memory. When we talk about the capacities, these are the UFS 3.1 storage capacity along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. And by the way, if you are watching the channel and if you are watching the video, subscribing and liking the channel give me some boost, so do those. And when we talk about the cameras, this is the section we want. From this Google Pixel 6 Pro, the Google was also changed the layout of this cameras at the back side. It comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 48 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera and 16 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. And for the front, it comes with a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And to power up this Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile, it comes with a 5000 milliamp hours of bigger battery. The unconfirmed thing about this mobile is charging speed. It comes, but there are some rumors which says this mobile will gonna support up to 30 watts of fast charge through wire and 18 watts of wireless charge. And this mobile also wireless charge the other mobiles reversely up to 4.5 watts. So this mobile is a complete flagship killer looking at the features. And this mobile also comes with the other features like this mobile comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, which no other Google mobile has until now. This is not ultrasonic, this is a in-display optical fingerprint scanner. And this mobile also comes with the stereo speakers, better stereo speakers, and this mobile doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with a glass back, metal frame and glass front. So at the back it comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, front also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and metal frame also. This mobile is only available in one color, that is a white color with a red color tint on the camera bump. So when we talk about the features, like this mobile also comes with the features like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. This mobile runs on Android version 12. So these are the major important features about this mobile. So when we talk about the price range, this mobile might comes at a price range of 50,000 rupees. Yes, might be. And when we talk about the release date, this mobile release mostly in September 3rd week. So wait until the mobile releases. And